Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today we're making keema, and keema is some minced meat with great Indian flavors, great as a filling inside a samosa or a filling for naan, but the choices are endless. You can be creative and cook it even with eggs for breakfast. We're building great flavors. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. I'm gonna do some quick chopping for some veggies. I'm gonna chop an onion, a large onion, about 2 cups finely, some garlic, some serrano peppers or any hot pepper that you like. I'm chopping some spring onions and a handful of cilantro. I'm gonna add a good amount of cilantro. And if you're one of those people who doesn't like the taste of cilantro, you can sub with parsley, but there's nothing like the taste of cilantro in this recipe. You're gonna also need some ginger, and I usually get the ginger, chop it and freeze it for when I need it. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons. And for all the amounts and all the ingredients, look in the description box below. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below, so check it out. I'm gonna add a good amount of butter and some vegetable oil, and you can use olive oil if you prefer. I'm gonna start toasting some spices. I add 2 to 3 bay leaves, some cardamom. You're gonna add some cumin seeds, coriander, and red chili powder. You're gonna add the onions and let them cook for a little bit. I want the flavors to develop slowly. The more you take time cooking this, the more it's gonna taste amazing. And the onions are soft and beautiful. I'm gonna add the garlic, ginger, pepper on top of the onions. Green chilies or serrano peppers, one of these are good enough to use in this recipe. I'm gonna add 1 cup of tomato puree. Fresh or canned, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna add the rest of the spices, turmeric and some garam masala. And now it's time to add the meat. I'm adding 1 pound of grass-fed and it's 85%. These are some great flavors. I'm gonna let it cook and take its time. And now is a good time to adjust the salt and remove the bay leaves and the cardamoms that I added at first. Next, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of milk. And you don't want to miss my next video. It's gonna be an amazing keema naan in less than 15 minutes. No yeast, no oven, and no wait. You're gonna love this recipe. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. I wish you can smell this. It smells heavenly. And imagine if you can enjoy this with bread with some naan. The only thing left to do is add tons of spring onions and tons of cilantro. You don't like cilantro, no problem, add some parsley. It has the right amount of heat, I'd say medium heat. If you want it less hot, you can add half of the serrano pepper and more spring onions and cilantro because you can never have too much. I really hope you give this recipe a try. So flavorful. And until next time, bon appétit!